welcome back to Kids Cube. Today we are diving into fascinating world of wild animals. So come with me, let's go in the forest. Tiger, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. It hunts other animals for food. The tiger is the national animal of India. Tigers are famous for their orange and black striped skin. Let's go next animal. Lion, lion. Lion is the one of most powerful wild animal. The jungle is its natural habitat. It is called the king of the jungle because of its massive size and raw power. It has a strong build, 4 legs, a large head. Let's go next animal. Giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. It is the tallest animal with long neck and legs. Its ears are small. Its mouth is small. Its tongue is very long. It lives in the jungle. We can also see it in a zoo. Let's go next animal. Bear, bear. The bear is a large wild animal. It can climb on the trees. This heavily weighted mammal belongs to the family Ursidae. They have a very good sense of smell. It lives in the jungle. We can also see in the zoo. Let's go next animal. Elephants, elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals. The color of its skin is grey. They have a long, flexible trunk. Elephants use their 2 trunks to pick up food and water. They have large, fluffy ears. Let's go next animal. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a large animal. They are herbivorous. They are very heavy. They can swim. They are mostly found in Africa. It is stated as the 3rd largest land mammal on earth. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wildlife content.